A Toy Unboxers production.
Hi, I'm doing a Curiosity Invasion Mystery Pack Collection 2. There is a special code inside the bag. Let's now unbox it. Here is the code. Whoa, there is a lot of pieces. We need to connect them. And this is the first character. And it comes with a skateboard. He has to skate. Now, in for the second character. This looks like a Yeti. Then it has two claws that can capture. See, they can capture. And let's connect the motion brick. Let's put the character to the motion brick. Let's disconnect the bottom part of the motion brick. Let's show you the Sonic motion brick that is sold separately. Then let's turn on the motion brick. And as you can see, this one is extra. And then this is the one that comes in the pack. Then let's now try to make them battle. Ring out. There is a ring out battle arena. Again. Ring out. Who is going to move out of the battle arena again? Wins. He loses. And let's show you how to build it. It has a CityVille app, and it looks like this. Scan the code to what gadget you have.
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. A Toy Unboxers production.